very good morning to everybody. I humbly request you all to kindly switch off the mobile phones and put it in silent mode and be seated as the chief guest is about to arrive. On behalf of District Judiciary, Medchal Malkajgiri District and Rangareddy District, I stand here to offer you all a very hearty welcome to the inauguration of 10 Court Building, Pokso Court and Family Court Building Complex, E-Seva Kendras of Medchal Malkajgiri District and Rangareddy District and Digitalization Wing at Kukatpally. For the program, we have amongst us the presence of my Lord Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge High Court of Telangana, Honorable Administrative Judge for Rangareddy District, Sri Justice P. Sujay Sham Koshi Garu, Honorable Administrative Judge for Medchal Malkajgiri District, Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shabli Garu, the Building Committee members of Honorable High Court for State of Telangana, Honorable Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana, Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana, Honorable Sri Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana, Distinguished Honorable Judges of High Court for State of Telangana, Honorable Judge Registrars of High Court, Honorable Principal District and Session Judge Medchal Malkajgiri District and Rangareddy District, Honorable Judges of Medchal Malkajgiri District and Rangareddy District, Unit, President, Secretary, Executive Members, Bar Association, Kukatpally, learned advocates, police officials, state officers, and other dignitaries. A very good morning and warm welcome to one and all. I now take the privilege of inviting today's chief guest, Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana, onto the dais, and I request Honorable Principal District and Session Judge Sri V. Balabhaskar Garu to escort his lordship and present his happening. I request the President Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri Govardhan Reddy Garu, Pedda Garu, to present a sapling to the Honorable Judge. I invite the Honorable Reddy Garu to escort his lordship and present sapling. Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri T. Ramesh Garu, to present sapling to my lord. I invite Honorable Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shabli Garu, Administrative Judge, Medchal Malkajgiri District, onto the dais, and I request Honorable First Additional District and Session Judge, Medchal Malkajgiri District, Sri R. Raghunath Reddy Garu, to escort his lordship and present sapling. I request the Vice President Bar Association Kukatpally to present sapling. I invite Honorable Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, High Court for State of Telangana, onto the dais, and I request Sri Jeevan Kumar Garu, Second Additional District Judge, Medchal, to escort his lordship and present sapling. I request Joint Secretary Bar Association Sri B. Yadaya Garu to present sapling to my lord. invite Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana, onto the dais, and I request 3rd Additional District Judge Sri P. Tirupati Garu to escort Lordship and present the SAP. I request the Treasurer Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri M.D. Khalil Pasha Garu to present sapling to my lord. I invite Honorable Sri Justice P. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana, onto the dais, and I request Honorable Special Judge for POCSO, Sri J. Vikram Garu to escort his lordship and present sapling. Library Secretary Sri.Alok Aradhe to present sapling to my lord. I invite Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Medchal Malkadgiri District, Sri V. Balabhaskar Rao Garu, onto the dais, and I request Senior Civil Judge Srimati M. Sandhya Rani Garu to escort Honorable Judge and present sapling. Lady Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally, Srimati Sri.Alok Aradhe to present sapling to the Honorable Judge. I invite Honorable Principal District and Session Judge Rangareddy, Sri Shashi Reddy Garu onto the dais, and I request 6th Additional District Judge Srimati C. Pavani Garu to escort Honorable Judge and present sapling. Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri Arun Kumar Garu to present sapling. I invite President Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri Govardhan Reddy Pedda Garu onto the dais, and I request Chandramouli Executive Member Bar Association Kukatpally to accompany the guest and present sapling. General Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally Sri Thanda Ramesh Garu onto the dais, and I request Boreddy Praveen Reddy Garu, Executive Member Bar Association, to accompany the guest and present sapling. I now request everybody present here to rise for the national song Vande Mataram, please.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyosna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhalam Varadam Mataram, वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting thought and enlightenment. I would like to invite the dignitaries on dais to proceed towards the left side of the dais for lighting the lamp as a mark of inauguration of program with a positive note.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं
Witnesses the
समारभ्य
lamp being lit, may it inspire us all. The flame's upward movement, defying the gravity, stand as a symbol of our quest for knowledge, upliftment, and the resolve to rise above the challenge it. It stands as a testament to the power of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance. A heartfelt thanks to our esteemed dignitaries on dais for leading us this auspicious beginning. As the lamp's light continue to radiate throughout the day, let it remind us of our collective commitment to knowledge, harmony, and progress. To commence with program, may I now invite Sri V. Balabhaskar Rao Garu, Principal District and Session Judge, Medchal, Malkadgiri District, to deliver the welcome address.
Good afternoon to one and all. Happy Independence Day. It is my privilege to extend a very cordial welcome to Hon'ble Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, the Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana, Hon'ble Sri Justice P. Sam Koshi Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana, and Administrative Judge of Rangareddy District, Hon'ble Sri Justice Abhinand Kumar Shavli Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana, and Administrative Judge of Medchal, Malkadgiri District, Hon'ble Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, Hon'ble Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Hon'ble Sri Justice B. Vijayasen Reddy Garu, Judges for the Hon'ble High Court of Telangana, Sri S. Hashidhar Reddy, Principal District and Session Judge, Rangareddy District at LB Nagar, Sri P. Govardhan Reddy, President Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri T. Ramesh, Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally. I also welcome all the Hon'ble Judges, Judicial Officers, learned advocates, staff members, and all the stakeholders. We feel particularly honored and gratified with the presence of the Hon'ble Chief Justice and Hon'ble Judges of our High Court in our midst today to inaugurate the 10 courts building complex, Pokso Court and Family Court building complex at Kaitlapur. My lords, the journey of courts at Kukatpally started in the year 2005 by establishing 9th Metropolitan Magistrate Court, which was sanctioned at Kukatpally and established in the year 2005, and it functioned in a rented building at Miyapur, and subsequently all the courts of Kukatpally started functioning in a rented building from 5 to 2018. All the courts were under the unit of Rangareddy District. My lords, during the course of bifurcation of erstwhile judicial districts in co-terminus with 33 revenue districts, out of 14 courts at Kukatpally, 9 courts were allotted to Medchal Malkadgiri District and 5 courts were allotted to Rangareddy District. Among the 9 courts of Medchal Malkadgiri District, there are 3 additional district courts, 1 senior civil judge court and 5 junior civil judge courts, and among the 5 courts of Rangareddy District, there is 1 additional district court, 1 additional senior civil judge court, and 3 junior civil judge courts. These are functioning with effect from 1/11/2022 after bifurcation of the districts in a common rented building at Kukatpally. My lord, the entire area of 10 courts building complex at Kukatpally at Kaitlapur is 5 acres, and the total constructed area is 1,44,506 square feet, and the foundation stone was laid on 18/2/2021. And the four-floor building consists of 12 courts, and in each floor there are 3 courts, and in the second building, Pokso court and family court are situated. And the total budget for construction is 42 crores 68 lakhs. And the total pendency of the cases in Kukatpally court complex pertaining to the unit of Medchal Malkajgiri district is 23,803 as on 31/7/2024. My lords, I take this opportunity to call upon all the judicial officers working in court complex of Kukatpally at Kaitlapur to take advantage of this infrastructure development and to work hard to meet the expectations of the public of speedy justice and to the expectations of the Hon'ble High Court. And I hope and trust that all of us will rise to the occasion and prove that infrastructure development will not go waste or be unutilized. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the state government for their help and cooperation in our efforts in construction of this building. All this could not have been possible without the assistance and support of the Honorable Building Committee of the Honorable High Court, Honorable Registrars, Judicial Officers, Bar Association members, Kukatpally, and the staff members of Medchal Malkajgiri Unit and Rangareddy District Unit and the state government. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Sri S. Shashi Reddy Garu, Principal District and Session Judge, Rangareddy District, to address the gathering.
My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice P. Sam Koshi Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of the Rangareddy District. My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Abnand Kumar Shavli Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Medchal Malkajgiri District. My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. Honorable Sri Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. And Honorable Sri Justice Lakshminarayan Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. Sri V. Balabhaskar Garu, Principal District and Session Judge, Medchal Malkajgiri. The P. Govardhan Reddy Garu, President of the Bar Association, Member Executive of the Kukatpally Bar Association, Presidents and Executive of the other bar associations who have attended today, a very good morning to you. My Lord, as the day progresses, my lordships will hear from the bar how this is a long dream of the bar association to have a functional building and infrastructure for the courts of Kukatpally. Before this district was formed in the combined district of Rangareddy, the total pendency of cases was 1,85,000, and after bifurcation, the Rangareddy district has 1,13,180 cases. In this particular complex of the 5 courts that are part of the Kukatpally unit, the pendency is 18,000 cases, my lord. The courts were functioning in a rented accommodation, which was not sufficient. There was no parking. The advocates and the officers and staff faced great difficulty. Now this long-standing dream has fructified with the grace of the Honorable High Court, for which we are very grateful. The infrastructure that has been provided in these courts has no par as of now in this state. As my brother Balbhaskar Garu has said, we should take full advantage of this infrastructure and do our best for disposal of cases. With this, I am very grateful to the Honorable High Court for this infrastructure. I am grateful for the state government in assisting us in establishing this infrastructure. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Sri B. Govardhan Reddy Garu, President Bar Association Kukatpally, to address the gathering.
Honorable Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Senior Most Judge of High Court of Telangana, Honorable Justice P. Shyam Kosi Garu, Administrative Judge of Rangareddy District, Honorable Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shavali Garu, Administrative Judge of Medchal Malkajgiri District, Honorable Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, Honorable Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Honorable Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Sri Balabhaskar Garu, Sri Shashidhar Reddy Garu, Honorable Judges of High Court, members of Bar Council, Honorable Judges working in Kukatpally Court Complex, Honorable Judges working in Rangareddy District Unit and as well as Medchal Malkajgiri District Unit, Rangareddy District Collector, Commissioner of Police, Cyberabad, Honorable Judges who previously worked in this Kukatpally Court Complex, Presidents of various Bar Associations, President and Directors of Mutually Aided Cooperative Society, learned senior advocates, judicial employees and other employees of various departments of state, my dear brother and sister advocates, and members of print and electronic media, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen. Today indeed is a momentous day for all of us as we gather here for the consecration ceremony of the Kukatpally Courts Complex. At Kukatpally, by our Honorable Chief Justice Sri.Alok Aradhe ji, as President of Bar Association, gives me immense pleasure to extend my warm welcome to each one of you on this historic occasion. Your Lordships, our Kukatpally Court's journey began in the year 2005. Just now, Honorable PDJ sir has just explained that from 1/9 mm court to what it is today, we have grown by leaps and bounds. And this court, as a tiny step of decentralization, was carved out of from Rangareddy District Court at LB Nagar, and a new court was established in the year 2005 in Miapur area in a rented premises. From then, we have evolved to what it is today. Initially, we Bar Association had few countable members. Now we can proudly say that we have more than 800 members, and out of which 1/3 are my sister advocates. This magnificent building signifies a major milestone in history and our journey towards more efficient and accessible justice system. It stands as a testament to our collective commitment to uphold the rule of law and at the same time ensuring that justice is served properly, fairly, effectively to all the citizens. I, on behalf of my Bar Association, on this occasion would like to express our deepest of gratitude and remember their contributions in realizing this building. And if I can take few names, Honorable Retired Justice Santosh Reddy Garu, our former High Court judge, and he previously worked as a 15th ADJ in our court. He being a law secretary, during that time the sanctions for this building were made. So we always remember you, sir, and you are in our hearts. And Justice A. Rajshekar Reddy Garu, former chairman of building committee, who was also very instrumental in groundbreaking and other things which during that time happened. And Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, sir, we remember you today for the services and for the guidance you have given us. And Honorable T. Vinod Kumar Garu, being the building committee chairman, sir, we are deeply indebted to the chairman and the other building committee members for making this so fast and so quick, sir. We are deeply indebted to you, sir. And finally, Balabhaskar Garu, who has been very instrumental in happening this event. And all the former principal district judges worked in Medchal Malkajgiri district, office bearers of my Bar Association, former presidents, former office bearers of my Bar Association, all involved in this and in the realization of this state-of-art eco-friendly building. I take this occasion to place on record and appreciation of the bar about the tireless efforts of judicial officers and advocates in administration of justice. As we look ahead, let this occasion serve as a reminder of the challenges and responsibilities that lie before us. On this auspicious day, I pray the senior most judge, Sri Sanjay Paul Garu, to declare this court building on behalf of Honorable Chief Justice litter-free, tobacco-free, chewing gum-free premises, as the onus of keeping this building clean and hygienic is mainly on our shoulders. Therefore, let all stakeholders of this court complex take this opportunity to achieve the above goals by strictly observing and maintaining the court complex free from the above. Your Lordship, with your kind consent, I take this opportunity to bring your kind notice two concerns for your Lordship's redressal. One being, as per the total site plan of this land allotted is 5 acres, inclusive of the building already constructed, just now inaugurated, which may be termed as Block 1. Another building complex of same magnitude need to be constructed in the open area right here where we stand and sit. As Block 2 to accommodate additional courts beside accommodating the ministerial staff requirements for their efficient functioning. I request the senior most judge to give administrative sanctions in consultation with the Chief Justice to give administrative sanctions for construction of Block 2 building and by addressing the government the realizing funds at the earliest, sir. And number 2, as per the present arrangement, the Kukatpally court complex courts having jurisdiction over the Medichal Malkajgiri district as well as the Rangareddy district. That's why we term it as a twin district court. This arrangement was consciously made to serve the needs of litigant public of this part of the territory, which originally formed in the erstwhile Rangareddy district, but on account of bifurcation of the revenue districts became part of split into 2 districts. It is convenient for the litigant public of this area to have redressal of these legal grievances within the facility created at Kukatpally without going to far off places. Therefore, I appeal the Lordships to kindly continue the same arrangement as it is convenient to the litigant public and also the legal fraternity. Before I conclude, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of us on this inauguration of this magnificent new court building. Once again, I thank and congratulate each and every one of you for gracing this occasion. Let us embark this new chapter with new vigor and determination, guided by the principles of justice, integrity, respect of rule of law. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. I would request Honorable Sri Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable the Chief Justice in absentia at this event was with us few minutes ago, and he is little indisposed. He had to leave. Senior brother judges, Justice Sujay Paul, Justice Sam Koshi, Justice Vinod Kumar, Justice Lakshman, Justice Lakshmi Narayana, who is present here, the registrars of the High Court, the principal district judges of all the courts in the erstwhile Rangareddy district, members of the district judiciary of all the 3 divisions of the combined Rangareddy district, members of the legal fraternity. I am sorry, due to paucity of time, I am not taking names of many dignitaries present here. And ladies and gentlemen, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on this auspicious Independence Day. It is furthermore auspicious for the members of erstwhile Rangareddy district, Kukatpally and Medichal Malkajgiri legal fraternity and lawyers in general on the momentous occasion of inauguration of this court complex. The strategic location of Kukatpally courts and ever-growing litigation on all fronts like civil, criminal, revenue, company, arbitration, family matters, etc. With the state-of-art infrastructure, I am sure would certainly benefit many lawyers and litigants. With the formation of new courts, court terminus with the revenue districts, all of you know Medjal Malkajgiri district was carved out of Rangareddy district, and this is one of the important district for many reasons. The new district court brings in lot of hopes and aspirations. It is quite natural for the litigant public to expect speedy, efficacious and quality justice. And this is not possible without the contribution and cooperation of the lawyers. So I request all the lawyers to maintain good relations with the district judiciary members and extend your wholehearted support for the smooth functioning of the courts. It is not the magnificent court building infrastructure and the facilities which are provided in this building which symbolize the access to justice and justice for all. It is the service lawyers render and the justice the courts render that determines these aspects. I request all the members of the legal fraternity, especially the young lawyers, to show empathy and compassion to the needy and deserving litigants and ensure that economic status of an individual litigant would not be the criteria to deprive him or her of access to justice. So before concluding, I congratulate all of you for this building inauguration. Take advantage of the building, organize intellectual programs, try to spend more time on that intellectual side, give importance to lady members. I request all the senior members to extend support, if possible, by liberally donating to the library, to the Bar Association, and to provide several amenities. So, and this should be a message to the future generations, and they will also carry forward this kind gesture. And I wish all of you a grand success in the new courts. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordship. I would now request Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu to kindly address the gathering.
Chief guest of today's function, Justice Sujay-Paul Garu, Justice Shyam Koshi Garu, Judge, Portfolio Judge Rangareddy District, Justice Abhinanth Kumar Shavli Garu, Justice Vinod Garu, Justice Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Justice Lakshmanarayan Garu, both PDJs, Balabhaskar Garu, Shashidhar Garu, Govardhan Reddy Garu, and his team, President Bar Association, presidents and managing committee members of different bar associations, registrars, law secretary, member secretaries also, judicial officers, members bar council, ladies and gentlemen. Media people are also there, both print and electronic media people, officials from various departments, police, revenue, etc. All of you, a very good morning. My Independence Day greetings to all of you, and also congratulations to all the stakeholders. So today, from our side, High Court side, whatever we have to do, we have done. We have constructed the building. Today, we have inaugurated. So just now, Mr. Balabhaskar explained to you about the journey of this court, Kukatpally court. Now there are 14 courts and almost 40,000 cases are coming here. So mere inauguration of a court is not sufficient according to me. What is the purpose and object of constructing a new court and inaugurating the building? So that you have to keep in mind. 42,000 is not a small pendency according to me. It is a huge pendency. So therefore, you have to cooperate with the judicial officers in disposal of the case. See, today is the 15th August, Independence Day. We have inaugurated this court on Independence Day. So ultimately, what is our goal? Client should get independence. If you dispose of the matter, he'll get independence. Otherwise, no. Right? That you have to keep in mind. And the other important aspect is, now there are many changes and the technology you have to use, you have to update yourself, and you have to cooperate with the judicial officers in conducting the case and in disposal, by conducting the case properly, assisting the judicial officer properly in disposal of that particular case. So that is my advice to all of you. See, just now, Mr. Govardhan Reddy referred that this particular building is eco-friendly building. So as a building committee member, my experience is we are spending huge money on maintenance of a building. We are inaugurating it. On the day of inauguration, it is good. So thereafter, nobody is taking care of its maintenance. We are spending huge amount, not only this building, all the buildings, including High Court. So therefore, my request to all the members, there is a huge gathering now. My request to all the members is, please spend some time on maintenance of this building. One officer, one office bearer of the committee has to take care of each floor. They have to oversee the maintenance. Then only it is possible to maintain the building properly. That is my advice to all of you. Otherwise, if we come after 1 year, we can see the maintenance and the position of the building. That is my advice to all of you. And other important aspect is there is no greenery and landscaping in this building. Of course, this is a new building. Please concentrate on developing the greenery and also the landscaping. If possible, you can visit Warangal Court as well as Nalgonda Court. You will be in a position to get an idea. You will get an idea and you will be in a position to develop greenery and also landscaping here. This is the other important aspect. And just now, Mr. Govardhan Reddy said there are 1/3 of the advocates are women advocates. So I am happy to hear this. And I must also say one more thing to you. 30% of judges in High Court are women judges. We are also maintaining it. So that shows our progress. Ultimately, so my advice to all of you is, please, for disposal, I've been telling everywhere, for disposal or pendency, all the stakeholders are responsible, not only judicial officers or lawyers. So everybody, let us not give lecture. Let us concentrate, let us cooperate with the officer, let us work together in disposing the matters. Then only the purpose and object of constructing new court will be, otherwise purpose will be defeated. So ultimately we have to gain, today we have celebrated 78th Independence Day. So ultimately we have to gain the confidence of the litigant, common man, needy people. So then only they will repose confidence on the judicial system. So with this, I conclude. Thanks for the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Your Lordships. I now request Honorable Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu to kindly address the gathering.
The dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. I would not take the names so that in order to avoid, to save some time. The advocate friends, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me extend a warm greetings to you all on both. It's an auspicious occasion. One, we are celebrating the Independence Day, and two, the inauguration of new court, which was new court complex housing both Medchal, Malkajgiri and Rangareddy districts, which was originally started with a 3,500 square feet area, now spread over to an area of 1,45,000 SFT. So it's a congratulations and great achievement for the litigant public to have such a extraordinary infrastructure being put in place. The fruits of the infrastructure can only be felt when the justice dispensation system also advances. Now we have seen the new court complex today, which has been inaugurated with the onset of the Honorable Chief Justice sometime back today. So I can only assure you that shortly we would be putting in place some of the latest infrastructure facilities for video conferencing and digitization for the old records. I would request all the bar members to make use of the facilities in order to deliver the justice delivery system speedier, so that the litigant public gets the justice at the earliest. So that we would be short time you will have some of these facilities for the having the where the under trial prisoner is in jail for conducting the trials through video conferencing, the evidence being recorded through medical officers or whoever examination is to be done. All those facilities will be put in place. Only thing is, without seeking adjournments on that ground that the particular officer is not there, the accused is not brought to the court on particular day, make use of these facilities in order to reduce the pendency. 41,000 odd is not a small pendency. So every effort by both the judicial officers as well as the advocates, I'm sure, would be made in this direction to reduce the pendency in the short coming times. So once again, I would like to thank the organizers for giving this opportunity, and thank all the stakeholders for getting this building ready and getting it inaugurated today. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Your Lordships. I would request Honorable Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shavali Garu to kindly deliver the inaugural address.
Happy Independence Day to everyone, and a warm welcome to Chief Guest Sujay Paul Garu, then Sam Koshi, Portfolio Judge for Rangareddy District, Building Committee members, my brother judges, and judicial officers, advocates, President of the Bar Association, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations for having such a wonderful infrastructure. I know everybody is working, judicial officers as well as advocates are working under tremendous pressure always. So utilize, one must, if you have nice ambience, you can work freely. That utilize this ambience, which is such a wonderful ambience, and try to impart justice to everyone. Now, there can't be a perfect judgment in the world. So all judicial officers, one advice is try to give reasons for whatever decision you take, so that the appellate court will understand what is the decision you have taken and how you are trying to justify it. If you don't assign reasons, the appellate court will set aside those things. So whatever decision you take, assign reasons, then try to justify your order. So all the best to everyone, and litigant public also should utilize this, because courts are meant only for litigant public. If we don't respect them and if we don't provide enough infrastructure like facilities of sitting or having drinking water and other things, basic necessities, so how can we work like that? That's the point. So all the best once again. Congratulations for having such a wonderful infrastructure. Kindly utilize it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordships. I request Honorable Sri Justice P. Sam Koshi Garu to kindly deliver the inaugural address.
My esteemed senior judge on the dais, Sri Justice Sujoy Paul, esteemed Justice Shavali, the portfolio judge for District Medchal Malkajgiri, the backbone of the building committee for the High Court of Telangana, the three pillars, Justice Vinod Kumar heading it, Justice Lakshman, Justice Vijay Singh, Justice Lakshmi Narayan, Learned Registrar General, District Collector, the Zonal Commissioner, Commissioner Police, the President of the High Court Bar Association, and all the President of the Kukatpally Bar Association, all the office bearers. At the outset, a warm wishes and greetings on this 78th Independence Day. It could not have been a more auspicious day for us to inaugurate a temple of justice in this area. Things were not in good shape, we were told, and we can realize. And as all my colleague speakers in the earlier part has said, we have witnessed a building which has no match as on date, at least to the limited access that I have to a few of the district that I have visited. This is the one of the best infrastructure that is available. Heartening to see that in spite of the weather being so pleasant, there is this entire pandal is full. That itself shows that how eagerly the legal fraternity was waiting for having this building inaugurated. And I'm told from Monday onward, the judicial function would start from this building, and with an entirely new atmosphere, entire new ambience, with a lot of ventilation, lot of fresh air. I think with the new vibes, things would be faster. As the figures have been rolled out, we have been told that there is around 42,000 cases pending in this court complex. 42 means that's almost 500,000, not a small figure. This building is not just confined to the members of the legal fraternity present. It is in fact for these 42,000 litigants who are walking day in, day out, expecting an early redressal of their grievance and their litigation. With this new infrastructure, I am sure the members of the bar would render their wholehearted cooperation in supporting the judicial officers manning the 14 courts here, in ensuring that the justice delivery system gets accelerated, and what is more important is the effective disposal of the cases. Taking up cases, adjourning it from 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks would not give a solution. Taking up matters, disposing of IAs, but the substantive litigation remains. That again would not give a redressal to the litigant. It is here that we need to take the pledge. Today on this auspicious occasion, as I said earlier, there could not have been a better day. And when we have celebrating 78th Independence Day, it is expected of each one of us that we also take a pledge that we will contribute to the best that we can in ensuring that the 42,000 litigants that are coming to this court complex will be getting the complete justice and at the shortest of time that is possible. I should really commend the building committee for having taken so much of pains in ensuring that a building which was long awaited has really given its fruits today, and from Monday onwards things would really work at a faster pace. I would not take much of the time, as we all know that today being 15th of August, each one of us eagerly waiting to somehow close the function and crash to our homes. I only wish each one of the members present over here all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordships. I now request today's chief guest, Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana, to deliver keynote address.
आज के जलसे में मौजूद हाई कोर्ट के मेरे साथी न्यायाधीश, सभागार में मौजूद रजिस्ट्री के ऑफिसर्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी के जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स, प्रशासन के आला अधिकारी, कर्मचारीगण और दोनों ज़िलों के मुख्तलिफ इलाकों से आए हुए नागरिकगण जो बड़ी इतने मुखालिफ मौसम में भी, इतने गर्म और मुखालिफ मौसम में भी बड़ी शिद्दत से इस कार्यक्रम में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। मुझे बताया गया कि इन ज़िलों में शायद आम आदमी से बात करने के लिए हिंदी और उर्दू ज़्यादा बेहतर भाषा होगी अंग्रेज़ी के बनिस्बत, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपसे हिंदी और उर्दू में ही मुखातिब हूँ। तयशुदा कार्यक्रम के हिसाब से मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में आना पड़ेगा और आकर बोलना भी पड़ेगा, इसका तो बिल्कुल भी इल्म नहीं था। लेकिन ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस की तबीयत नासाज होने की वजह से मुझे उनकी जगह लेनी पड़ी, तो मुझे ये कहने में कोई गुरेज नहीं है कि मैं उनका बहुत पुअर सब्स्टिट्यूट हूँ, बहुत कमज़ोर विकल्प हूँ। फिर भी क्योंकि मुझे कहने का आदेश हुआ है, कुछ ख्यालात जो मेरे दिमाग में सबकी बातें सुनकर आए हैं वो मैं आपके साथ बांटना चाहता हूँ। आज सबसे अव्वल मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज़ादी की इस सालगिरह पर पहली बधाई के हम सभी लोग हकदार हैं कि यहाँ के लोगों के लिए न्याय सुलभ होगा। दूसरी चीज़, आज़ादी जिसकी हम 77वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहे हैं, सालगिरह मना रहे हैं, उसकी भी सबको बधाई। और हम वो लोग जो लीगल फ्रेटर्निटी से आते हैं, कानून के परिवार से आते हैं, हमको इस त्यौहार पर कुछ ज़्यादा फ़ख्र होता है क्योंकि जो आज़ादी का सारा आंदोलन लड़ा गया वो आम तौर पर लीगल फ्रेटर्निटी के लोगों ने लड़ा। लाला लाजपत राय से वल्लभ भाई पटेल तक, गांधी जी से लेके नेहरू जी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस तक, लगभग सारी की सारी लड़ाई एडवोकेट्स के नेतृत्व में लड़ी गई और कितनी कुर्बानियों के बाद हमें वो आज़ादी मिली जिसका आज हम जश्न मनाने यहाँ जमा हुए। लेकिन मेरे से पहले जो आपसे मुखातिब थे मेरे साथी, उन्होंने आपसे बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि अदालत सिर्फ इमारत नहीं होती, अदालत सिर्फ सीमेंट और गारे से बना हुआ एक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता, अदालत लोगों की न्याय पाने की आशा होती है। भारत का संविधान जब बन रहा था तो मुझे एक बड़ी प्रिय घटना याद आती है, मैं वो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। भारत का संविधान जब बन रहा था तो संविधान सभा, जिसमें कानून के विशेषज्ञ थे, जिसमें मजदूर किसानों के नुमाइंदे थे, सबके बीच में एक बहुत डिबेट चल रही थी, ये बहस चल रही थी कि भारत का संविधान ठीक बन रहा है कि नहीं। पूरी दुनिया के संविधान खंगाले जा रहे थे और ये सोचा जा रहा था कि हमारा जो रोड मैप हो वो कैसा हो। तो सब अपनी ये चिंता जाहिर कर रहे थे कि हमारा संविधान ठीक बन रहा है कि नहीं। उन चिंताओं पर जो डॉक्टर अंबेडकर की टिप्पणी थी वो मुझे बहुत प्रिय है, उसको मैं आपके साथ बांटना चाहता हूं। डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ने कहा कि हम अगर बहुत अच्छा संविधान भी बना लें, मगर उसको अमल में लाने वाली शक्तियां अगर चरित्रहीन और दुर्बल होंगी तो हमको अच्छे नतीजे नहीं मिलेंगे। हम अगर थोड़ा दुर्बल संविधान भी बना लें, कमजोर संविधान भी बना लें, मगर उसको अमल में लाने वाली शक्तियां चरित्रवान और समर्पित होंगी
तो हमको बहुत अच्छे नतीजे मिलेंगे। आखिरी पंक्ति ज़िरे गौर है, क्योंकि अब डॉक्टर अंबेडकर कहते हैं कि क्योंकि संविधान स्वयं कोई काम नहीं करता, खुद कोई काम नहीं करता, ये उसको अमल में लाने वाली ताकतों की इंटेग्रिटी और कमिटमेंट पर निर्भर करता है कि हमको उसके क्या नतीजे आएंगे। तो संविधान को जमीन पे उतारने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत जुडिशरी है, जिसका जजेस और एडवोकेट्स बराबरी का हिस्सा हैं। और इसलिए मैं अपने पूर्व वक्ताओं की बात को आपके साथ शेयर करते हुए ये कहना चाहता हूं कि एक इमारत हमको मिल गई है। आज हमें जो मिली है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक इमारत है। इस इमारत को अदालत बनाने का काम जजेस का और एडवोकेट्स का समान रूप से है, और जजेस अपना काम बहुत बेहतर ढंग से कर सकते हैं अगर उनको एडवोकेट्स की असिस्टेंस मिले। तो इसलिए आपकी असिस्टेंस, आपकी तैयारी, आपका अपने पक्षकार के प्रति समर्पण, उस पर निर्भर करेगा कि न्यायालय जो फैसले देंगे उनकी गुणवत्ता क्या होगी, उसकी क्वालिटी क्या होगी। तो न केवल परिसर को स्वच्छ रखने के मामले में, न्यायालयीन प्रक्रिया को मजबूती से चलाने के लिए बार का रेगुलर असिस्टेंस और बार की तैयारी का बहुत महत्व है। मुझे ये बताया गया कि यहाँ के बार के प्रेसिडेंट और सेक्रेटरी नियमित रूप से हाई कोर्ट आया करते थे और बिल्डिंग कमेटी के मेंबरान को ये बताया करते थे कि कहाँ तक इसमें प्रगति हुई है, और उनके भी लगातार दिलचस्पी लेने से ये बिल्डिंग का काम तेजी से हुआ और आज हमको एक इमारत मिली है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस इमारत को अदालत बनाने के लिए हमारे जजेस, हमारे एडवोकेट्स कोई कसर उठा के नहीं रखेंगे, ताकि वो लोग जो दूर दूर से इस कार्यक्रम में आए हैं, जिनको लगता है कि हमारे इलाके में एक न्याय का मुहाना खुल गया है, वो वाकई न्याय अपने घर ले जा सकें। एक बार सबको फिर से बधाई, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Your Lordship, for that extempore keynote address. With this, we have come to the end of the program, and it's now time to honor the distinguished dignitaries on the dais. I request Honorable Sri Justice Shyam Koshi Garu, Administrative Judge, Rangareddy District, and Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shavli Garu, Administrative Judge, Medchal Malkadgiri District, to felicitate today's Chief Guest, Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge, High Court for State of Telangana. Thank you, my lords. I would request Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Rangareddy District, Sri S. Shashidhar Reddy Garu, to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice P. Shyam Koshi Garu, Administrative Judge for Rangareddy District. Thank you, my lords. I would request Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Medchal Malkadgiri District, Sri V. Balabhaskar Rao Garu, to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shavli Garu, Administrative Judge for Medchal Malkadgiri District. Thank you, my lords. I request Honorable Principal District Judge Medchal Malkajgiri and Rangareddy districts, Sri V. Balabhaskar Rao sir and Shishir Reddy sir, to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana. Thank you, my lords. Now again, I request Honorable both the PDJs to kindly felicitate Honorable Justice Lakshman Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana. Thank you, my lords. I again request Honorable Principal District Judges Medchal Malkajgiri and Rangareddy to felicitate Honorable Justice Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Judge High Court for State of Telangana. With the permission of the chair, now I request the President and General Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally to felicitate the judges on the dais. Honorable Sujay Paul Garu. Honorable P. Shyam Koshi Garu. Honorable Justice Sri Abhinandan Kumar Shalve Garu. Honorable Justice T. Vinod Kumar Garu. Honorable Justice K. Lakshman Garu. Honorable Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu. Now it's time to felicitate the senior members of the Bar Association Kukatpally, who are also the former presidents and general secretaries. May I request the dignitaries on the dais to felicitate the senior members. I'll just call upon the names. First, Sri P. Ramreddy Garu, senior advocate, former president Rangareddy District Courts Bar Association, to come onto the dais and receive felicitation. I request M. Navneet Rao Garu to come onto the dais and receive felicitation. I request A. Prakash Rao Garu. I request G. Srinivas Reddy Garu to please come onto the dais. I request P. Ramchandram Garu to come onto the dais. I request M. Akhilesh Garu to come onto the dais. Akhilesh Garu. A. Rajeshwara Garu. Rajeshwar Reddy Garu. Zakir Hussain Garu. Now the President Bar Association Kukatpally, Sri Govardhan Reddy Pedda Garu. I request the former General Secretary Bar Association Kukatpally to come onto the dais. I'll speak out the names. C. Jaypal Reddy Garu. Former Secretary Jaypal Reddy Garu, please come onto the dais and receive the felicitation. Next, I request Shyam Sundar Reddy Garu to come onto the dais. Shyam Sundar Reddy Garu. Shyam Sundar. Shyam Sundar Reddy Garu. Ravikant Reddy Garu. V.V. Radhakrishna Garu. Shekhar Babu Garu. Narsingrao Garu. Narsingrao Garu. Next, I request Tanda Ramesh Garu, President General Secretary, Kukatpally, to receive the felicitation. Staff Association. My lords, the staff association had made a request to felicitate the today's chief guest. So I request the chief guest to accept the felicitation by the staff association. I request the staff members to come on to the dais and felicitate the chief guest of today's function. Charlie. Now I request the district collector to receive the felicitation on behalf of the state government by the dignitaries on dais. District collector. I now request Sri B. Tirupati Garu, Honorable 3rd Additional District Judge, Kukatpally, to give you vote of thanks.
My reverential pranams to my lords. A very good afternoon one and all. Happy independence to all. Indeed, this is a historic occasion where a galaxy of honorable judges of High Court for the state of Telangana graced this auspicious occasion of inauguration of 10 courts building complex, family court and Pokso court building complex, digitization wing and E-Seva Kendra and Bar Session Hall at Kukatpally. On this memorable day, I deem it a great honor and privilege to deliver vote of thanks on this occasion. I would like to express our profound Honorable Sri Justice Alok Aradhe Garu, the Chief Justice High Court for the state of Telangana, for having accepted the invitation to grace this occasion by sparing his valuable time for us and having inaugurated the 10 courts building complex and digitization wing at Kukatpally. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to His Lordship Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul Garu, Judge High Court for the state of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Hyderabad, for gracing this occasion and for the enduring message given to us by His Lordship, which has uplifted the spirit of us to go ahead for better prospects, which left a significant mark on us. And His Lordship keynote address inspired all of us and leading us for rendering better service. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice B. Shamkoshi Garu, Judge High Court for the state of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Rangareddy District, for gracing this occasion and having inaugurated the court hall of 16th Additional District and Session Judge of Rangareddy District at Kukatpally, for delivering valuable address and messages given by His Lordship are very useful and guiding factors for us. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice Abhinandan Kumar Shavali Garu, Judge High Court for the state of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Medchal Malkazgiri District, for gracing this occasion and having inaugurated the court hall of 3rd Additional District and Session Judge of Medchal Malkazgiri District at Kukatpally, and for delivering valuable message which enriched us. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice K. Vinod Kumar Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, for gracing this occasion and having inaugurated the Family Court and POXO Court building complex, and for delivering valuable message which has motivated us a lot. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, for gracing this occasion and having inaugurated the E-Seva Kendra and for delivering the valuable message. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice B. Vijayasena Reddy Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, for gracing this occasion and having inaugurated the Bar Association Hall and for delivering the valuable message. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Judges High Court for the State of Telangana for their presence on this occasion. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Sri V. Balabhaskar Rao Garu, Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Medchal Malkarjuna District, for their constant guidance and support in all aspects for making this program a grand success. I also thank to Sri S. Shashidhar Reddy Garu, Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Rangareddy District, for their guidance and coordination for making this occasion a grand success. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Registrar General Srimati E. Tirumala Devi Garu and other Honorable Registrars of the Honorable High Court, Law Secretary, Government of Telangana, Member Secretary, Telangana State Legal Service Authority, and other officials of Honorable High Court for their presence on this momentous occasion of inauguration of court complex. I thank all the respected judicial officers of Medchal Malkajgiri District Unit and Rangareddy District Unit for extending their cooperation for making this program a grand success. I thank respected President Sri Govardhan Reddy Garu, General Secretary, and their team of executive body, and all the members of Bar Association Kukatpally for their unwavering support and their restless efforts for making this program a grand success. I thank respected Collector of Medchal Malkajgiri District, Commissioner of JHMC, Revenue Department officials for attending and having made required arrangements for conducting this program. I thank respected Commissioner of Police and other police officials for attending and having made required security arrangements for conducting this program smoothly. I thank engineers of R&B department and their official staff, and also contractor for construction of this building and their workers for their relentless efforts made for making this building ready. I also thank to all the judicial staff of Medchal Malkajgiri District and Rangareddy District and unit for extending their cooperation. I also thank to members of print and electronic media for covering this program. I would like to thank all of you present here for making the time to be with us today and helping us for making this program a grand success. I am indeed grateful to the Honorable High Court for the State of Telangana for giving me this opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks on this occasion. Thank you, my lords. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. With the permission of the chair, I request the R&B officials to please come onto the dais to receive the felicitation. C. Rajeshwar Reddy Garu. C. Electrical, Linga Reddy Garu. AC I. Narsingrao Garu. Narsingrao Garu. AC Electrical, Swarupa Rani Garu. E. Vishwakumar Garu. Thank you, sir. I request everyone present here to rise for national anthem Janagana Mana.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you one and all. The program concludes. All are requested to proceed for the lunch. Thank you all.